Oh yeah, Lambo's nice. It's an SV. Love the details in the headlights. You got the all LEDs lined up. Oh, I don't know. I think black looks better actually. More stealthy. 214,000, give or take. Yeah, definitely black. Aventador. But the wheels, I'm really liking those wheels. If anyone knows what they're made of, I think they're magnesium, or some kind of carbon magnesium mix. The spokes are really, really thin. Let's have a look at the back of it quickly. Lots of snow. Wow. How many exhaust pipes? 4. I like how they're bunched together. Anyway, this is Super XR. So if you want to see more supercars, head to this channel. There's a lot more to come. But yeah, I'm just going to stand here. Bit of social distancing needed, but you can just about see that Lamborghini in there. And something hiding in there, which I'm sure you know what it is. Answers in the comments below if you know what that is, because everyone should know what that is. Tell me which is your favorite car as well. I'll be interested to hear. I'm more of a Porsche man myself. So you never ever know how beautiful Ferrari is once you look at it in person, or on video in this case. So that's a really nice rear, I gotta say. It's a pearlescent kind of yellow paint, and it's quite good actually. Anyway, signing off. See you guys later.